Hey everyone, welcome to my mechanical room. Many times you've seen videos like this coming from a client's home, but for this one, I'm actually opening the doors to my own house, something very rare that us contractors barely do. But I just wanted to show you some of the innovative things that we've done where this becomes a bit of a testing ground where we try everything out before we put it in your home.
The key to this mechanical room is innovation, control, and functionality. During the build, a new product came out that had the industry talking about it, and that is the fin.
About 3 years ago, this new product, very innovative, hit the market. It's called the fin. I've had it installed in my own house for a little over 2 years now, and I can't tell you how happy I am with it. The whole goal was to establish control. It does this by monitoring any activity within the water. It can monitor a pin-sized hole leak in your lines. It can monitor your temperature in case you have freezing pipes. You need to know that. And it does this incredible thing where it monitors the hydraulic shock of water. So the water hammer, as is commonly known, which is pretty interesting, which is when you shut the water off, any faucet or any fixture, there's still that movement in the water. So that's called water hammer. And within the activity, within that movement, is able to notice if you have any leaks and is able to learn your usage. So over time, once you install the unit, then you're able to see if there's any activity that's unusual or not. Sends you a notification right to your phone, and in the event that you're not able to respond to it, you can set it so that it will automatically turn off. In the event that you happen to be on vacation or something, then it can also notify your plumber directly, so therefore eliminating something else to worry about.